This video explains how to set up and activate the Genius Plus Edition in 3 simple steps. Make sure that the smoke detectors are installed at least 50 centimeters away from walls, lamps and other furnishings. Install the smoke detector bases in the designated rooms. To do this, drill 1 or 2 holes in the ceiling. Use dowels and attach the base with 1 or 2 screws. Alternatively, you can install them using VDS certified adhesive pads from Hekatron. Attach the smoke detectors to the bases in such a way that the detector's round anti-tamper seal opening is positioned flush over the base's magnetic holder. Now turn the smoke detector clockwise until it locks into the base. When the Genius Plus Edition is turned on for the first time, it beeps 3 times, and the LED flashes green to signal that it is active and ready for operation. If the Genius Plus Edition is installed correctly, it will now switch to normal mode and briefly flash green every 48 seconds. The smoke detector is now monitoring the room and providing reliable protection.